Today we are staging a property on Broadway. Take a look at this building. When we first went to see this property, well, we were just looking for the street. We didn't realize it was in a one-of-a-kind building. Come on in. Welcome to my crib. Just kidding. We just staged this home, so let's tour it. So as you remember, we came in here and it was one long vast space, and we needed to make the space very interesting. It was just plain white walls, which we actually really love, but how can anyone imagine what could possibly go inside? So we walked around the neighborhood and we really enjoyed what we saw. There was a lot of fun art on the walls, graffiti, artfully, tastefully done, and that inspired us to create this space. So as you can see here, we added some fun colors without being too overwhelming with color. We grounded the space with a gray area rug, and then we added furniture on top. But we deliberately created a space that was fun, playful, yet at the same time functioned as a true living room. So we created the living space in the center of the room instead of being pushed all the way back. This room is very angular and it had a lot of built-in benches. So we didn't want to bring attention to all the built-ins. Instead, we created a space in the center of the room. So this home is super long, and one bedroom is down this end, the other bedroom down the other end. We wanted to create a centralized space that evoked fun, but also function. And as you can see, we created this seating space right in the middle and allowed a lot of space around the couches and a path to the bedroom down here. We were working with certain things already in the space, for instance, white walls, but the Sputnik lights. So to add on to the fun Sputnik features, we added these two cool LED lamps and the Sputniks in the master bedroom. Follow me to the master bedroom. So you see here we tied in these lamps as well, so that way it creates a very cohesive space. The wall is at an angle, so the bed itself was also angled. You get a nice beautiful view this way, but we created a sense of space and flow into the master closet. So we created a super modern space with very minimal furniture and minimized on accessories. So we created a very functional space here because we wanted buyers to know that this space can actually function as a home office. So as you can see here, you can have a home office, but we used a clear desk so it doesn't show that there's a lot of furniture, and it just opens up the space. So this, of course, was the perfect spot for a dining table, and we had a table to scale with this wall, creating a pathway here. And follow me down to the second bedroom. This room, as you can see, the walls are angled, so it was a little bit awkward of a space. And we measured in between the windows and were able to fit a full-size platform, low-profile bed. We wanted the room to feel spacious. We wanted the lights to be accented by having a very minimal design with the bed. Creating a minimal design around the bedroom also makes the space feel a lot bigger and more spacious. We kept things very low profile with the nightstands, the lamps, so then that way it does not obstruct the views. Thanks so much for touring this home with us and watching behind the scenes on how we put this place together. We'd love to hear from you. Please add your comments down below and we'll see you at the very next property. Bye now.